If you're ready to get started selling on Etsy, you need to get your Etsy store set up. And in this video, I'll go ahead and walk you through how to get your shop set up so you can start making sales. So once you have your items ready, and you do want to have your images, so whether you're creating the products yourself, like digital downloads, or you're working with print-on-demand company, you want to have your images ready, and then you click over to Etsy and click Sell on Etsy and get started. And then you'll need to get your shop set up. They call it your shop. And you'll fill in things like the shop name and information along those lines. And then once you get all that ready, then you can go ahead and start uploading the info for your first listing. So you upload your product images. And then you would want to go ahead and add your title. And with title, you do want to be a bit thoughtful about this. You really want to have keywords in there, but you don't want to make it sound artificial. So you might want to take a look at some other best-selling products on Etsy with similar products so you can craft your title. And there are a few tools you can check out, like keywordsearch.co, allura.io, and keywordtooldominator.com, where you can look specifically for Etsy keywords. Then you want to get your description. And again, I would suggest looking at similar items that are bestsellers and seeing what people do. And, make sure you give really specific details. So for example, this is a mug where they've gotten into details about how big it is and so forth. And tags. Tags are basically search keywords people are using on Etsy, and you can use 13 tags, and you want to make sure they're relevant and that they are complementary and that they don't overlap too much, so you can reach a broader range there with your tags. And then, of course, you want to add your pricing. You want to make sure you're keeping in that sweet spot. A couple of things to look at are what it costs for your wholesale price, and then you usually want to double that, or in some cases triple that, to get your product pricing. And of course, you have to see, again, what's being supported in the marketplace, what people are willing to pay. And once your first sale comes in, you need to create your product. You can use, if you're doing print on demand, you could use a company that focuses on shipping to American places. And then if you're in the UK, you could use a company there. So Printful's great to get started in the USA market, or you could look at something like Incredible for the UK market. And Printful is really easy to fulfill orders. You do need to connect your shop with Etsy, which Printful will walk you through, and then you will go ahead and on their back end, and you can just create your order. And it's just very easy to do that. They also give you the mock-ups and things along those lines. And they'll also calculate your shipping for you. So then you can pay for the item, and then they will ship it out. And then you complete your order under the Etsy dashboard order and add the tracking number that the print-on-demand company provides for you. So it may sound a little complicated, but once you do a few of these, with a company like Printful that's actually integrated with Etsy, it's very easy. You just basically go into Printful and do a few things, and then go back to Etsy and mark it as shipped, and you're good to go. So if you'd like to learn more about creating and listing products on Etsy, you can check out my Easy Etsy Profits, where I show how you can get up and running very quickly on Etsy. And this is great for people who want to get started and to branch out to this fantastic income stream.